AMC stock analysis and price predictions for Monday is AMC Entertainment stock and buy. I'll be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1-minute video. Now I'm the only guy in this space with an actual track record of 43,000 videos in 5 years. By the way, I've documented it all, right? Everything is documented, especially with like AMC. Unless I see any proper double break, then there's just no point and no way that I will look to buy. I'm being very honest here. A lot of people will just overcomplicate it, you know, but since this shift here, it's been just straight up longs. This is like a textbook trade here. Show you the proof.
Happening.
Right.
Me buying just not gonna happen.
3.14 when it was $3.14. 15th July, boom. Then 17 started picking up. And I mean, unironically, I'm still looking for longs, but the only thing that I care about is if there's a double break here. And if not, it's all good. Got a lot of receipts with AMC as well. 52 results. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, that is, click the first link in the description. I'll keep you updated. Goodbye.